Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and then answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: you are restoring an Amazon Elastic Block Store Amazon EBS volume from a snapshot. How long will it before the data is available? Option A, it depends on the provisioned size of the volume. Option B, the data will be available immediately. Option C, it depends on the amount of data stored on the volume. Option D, it depends on whether the attached instance is an Amazon EBS optimized instance. The correct answer of the question, option B. The volume is created immediately, but the data is loaded lazily. This means that the volume can be accessed upon creation, and if the data being requested has not yet been restored, it will be restored upon first request. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.